Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today with a new series introduction, and it's going to be called Christmas Catch-Up. And in this series, I plan to make a page every day in December of Christmas layouts from the past. I have quite a few photos left from 2015, 2016, 2017, and actually I have a postcard from 2013 that I want to get scrapbook. So I've pulled all those years together, divided up my photos, and I'll show you a couple here. I have one photo for this, 3 photos for this, and I've gone through and I've sorted my photos, and I've put the number of photos, the year that they're from, and what my title might be. And that's always up for grabs. So you can see I have gone through, I have put some thought process into this whole project, and so that's what I want, that's what I have set aside as far as photos. What I'm going to do next is pull in my paper, because you guys know I have tons and tons and tons of paper. So when you squeeze all this together, there's probably a good foot of paper. You know, part of the problem of being a collector of scrapbooking products is if you stop scrapbooking a particular holiday, such as Christmas, because we had some, you know, it was hard for me to scrap those years. When I stopped scrapping, I was having a very hard time emotionally with family issues going on. So I stopped scrapping. So those holidays have piled up on me. And so I didn't stop buying product though. Even though I wasn't scrapbooking with the product that I had, I continued to buy Christmas products, so hence I went from 2 containers to 3. So I'm hoping to be able to at least get this much used up in order to put my paper back into the 2 containers. Now I have paper from all different collections. I have Chatterbox, I have Graphic 45, Felicity Jane, SEI, Echo Park, Cartabella. I have a whole conglomeration of manufacturers and product, and in those boxes with my paper I have the scraps of most of those collections that I have, and I have some sticker sheets and chipboard sheets and stuff like that, but the bulk of my embellishments are someplace else. And that's another reason for doing this series, is that I want to get caught up on the past holidays, but I also want to decrease my supplies to some degree so that they will fit better in the system that I have them in. I have changed. I used to keep my Christmas supplies in the top of my closet. I still keep some there because they won't fit in the new area that I move them to. So in order to get all of them to fit, I need to use up a ton of supplies. And so that is my goal this year, is to get a lot of that used up as far as paper and embellishments and etc. So that's my goal. That's the idea behind this series. If you want to play along, feel free. Grab your scrapbook pages or your Christmas photos and some Christmas paper and scrap along in December. I know that everybody is going to have their December dailies and that kind of thing going up, and I know it's fun and exciting to see all of that throughout the month of December. And I hope this will inspire you guys to not only do your December daily books, but also to get those layouts created, you know, whether they're 12 by 12, 8 by 8, 6 by 6, 8.5 by 11, whatever size that you scrapbook. Just get your stuff out and get busy and get your photo scrapbook that you want to get scrapbook. Don't postpone it. If you can keep from it, don't postpone it anymore. Just get it done this year. And that's my goal, is to get at least those years caught up, 15, 16, and 17. Now, how much farther I go into the future, I don't know yet. I have enough photos pulled for 32 layouts. So, yeah. I'm gonna pull my photos and my sketches along with my and make page kits, if you will. I'll have my sketch, my paper, and my photos together. And then when it's time to actually get into the creative process, what I plan to do is have my embellishments all around me like I normally do. And I may pull a few embellishments in ahead of time, but I think most of them are going to be surrounding me, so that on the day that I am creating, I will pull what I need then for that specific layout, kind of like I do on my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. I would show you my sketches straight away, and I may hint at some of them. I may not show you the full thing. They are paid content, and they are from Scrapbook Generation. I went through and over the years, I have downloaded tons of their paid content, their paid books, and gotten free sketches, tons of free sketches as well. And so this year I printed out all of the ones from like a 2-page Christmas book, a 6x6 single page and double page class that I did, plus another book that had 1-page sketches in. So I have tons of content to play with as far as sketches and what I want to do. So next video up will be, I will show you the stacks that I have created with my paper. I don't know. I may try and record that. I don't know just yet. But anywho, stay tuned. You'll see more on this topic coming up. And on December 1, that's when we go live for real. We're going to make a layout every day. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I would love it if you would flip that thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.